I've traded hostel rooms for a luxury cruise ship as I joined my family for a 7-day cruise in Holland, America's Koningsdam from Vancouver, BC to Alaska. And last time we checked out the room, we unpacked my bag and we got settled in. So join me as a solo traveler since I'm the only one in my family without a partner as I begin to explore my home on the ocean for the next week. Let's go check it out. This is like the ultimate gym room. We've got first point of view now. The ultimate gym with a view. This looks out onto the water, and when we're actually going, this will be the back of the ship, but what a view to work out from. Hoping I'll make it here after all the eating and drinking we'll be doing, but we'll see. Quite departed yet, but my first feelings overall is overwhelmed. There's just a lot going on. It's a lot of people. This boat is about 2,900 guests if at full occupancy, and then about another 1,000 more for staff. Here's the whole operation of it and trying to figure out like what is included in your package in your room, what costs money, what doesn't cost money. It's all in US dollars as well, so that's like, that hurts the Canadian bank accounts. Yeah, just had a burger for lunch and a little lemonade, and we'll be departing Canada Place soon. Again, just kidding. Put on board. That is crazy. Ever so slightly, we're moving off the deck. Not moving fast though. Friends, where did I leave you last time? I don't even know. We went this afternoon for lunch, which ended up being like a burger and a mocktail. We have the Quench package, which means that you can get non-alcoholic beverages up to 15 a day. So that includes coffee, mocktails, pop. I think that's about it. Not bottled water though, but they have like water drinking taps. And so we had a burger and a mocktail, and then came back to the room, unpacked my suitcase some more. And then we went back up at 4 p.m. for the docking leaving Vancouver, which for me was such a treat to see Vancouver from almost like a bird's eye view since we're so high up, because we were on deck 10. There's 12 decks on this boat as well. So we departed Canada Place, Port of Vancouver, which was so cool to see the cargo ships as well. And going under the Lionsgate Bridge was quite the treat since I've seen the Lionsgate Bridge, been over it so many times by car, but to be under it where it's like almost in reaching distance was a pretty cool experience. And now we are traveling north up along Vancouver Island, Sunshine Coast, all that. And coming back into my room right now was kind of the craziest thing to just see out the window that we're moving. The boat is so stable that you sort of forget that you're moving. So let's just show you that we're moving. This is crazy. I'm speechless. This is so magical. And the sky is so pretty right now. Hello from almost the outdoor window. Definitely forgetting to follow my own rule of leave my shoes at the door to kind of keep my room clean. After we unloaded my suitcase. We went for dinner and I decided to get a pizza from the New York Deli. You can order a whole pizza, all foods included, which is just kind of this weird, crazy thing when I've been budget traveling for so long and staying in hostels and being strategic with my food intake and food waste. To just have it as like this free-for-all is a little bit hard for me to wrap my brain around. So I'm really being conscious that even though the food is free, to only take things that I know I will actually eat, because I don't want to have a ton of food waste. It's like been cool. And then I got a couple more mocktails that are basically like candy to me. They're so good. Dangerous, like just because they're so sweet. Now I'm just back in the room. I'm gonna get changed, and tonight we are doing a group activity. We're going to the trivia night. So there's activities like throughout the day, all day long. There's even a solo travel and singles meetup, which my whole group is trying to make me go to since I'm the solo traveler. But I think for right now, we're just gonna get dressed. So let's change from my pants and shirt to my dress. This is what we're wearing today, but we really gotta hurry. We gotta go. I just have on a long Zara dress. It's actually in my packing for Portugal video, which you can watch up here. Just some sneakers on. I really gotta go. We're gonna be late for trivia. I'm also not gonna bring my camera with me, but I'll take some B-roll on my phone, and we'll catch up with you later as I listen to the ocean waves for night one of this cruise. If you like what you're watching so far, please hit subscribe below. I don't even know how to drink yet. Just pure adrenaline and excitement. Anyway, folks, thanks for being here. Let's go play some trivia. Good evening, friends. Day one has been quite magical, and as you can see, I'm in my Koningsdam robe. My sister, who loves to be super active, we went out and played some pickleball, or attempted to, but it was so windy since we are moving right now. And then we went back and watched the sunset where we first were, in the crow's nest area, and had a beverage, which is a cider, and played Uno actually. So it was nice. In the crow's nest they have all these board games and cards and such to play with, so kind of gives you an activity to do. But anyway, here concludes day one of being on this magical ship. It's crazy to think at this moment I'm moving on the ocean. It really feels weird. And then you look out, well, obviously it's dark right now, so I can't really show you, but you look out and you're like, oh my gosh, the boat's moving. So it's quite interesting. It's been like a jam-packed day. It's been such a unique experience. And right now, actually, I feel the boat moving a little bit. You probably can't see anything, but just slightly there's this vibration underneath me. It's kind of crazy. I'm gonna enjoy my tea. If you enjoyed this vlog, please subscribe to make sure that the next video comes out. Hit the like button. Make sure you comment below what your favorite part of this video was, and we will see you for day 2 of this Alaskan cruise. Thanks for watching. Good night.